Today is day 2 of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Varanasi. Prime Minister Modi holding a seminar with 12 chief ministers, 9 deputy chief ministers of the Bharatiya Janata Party ruled states in Kashi. Now the topic of discussion, good governance. Prime Minister is expected to pass on tips on development, COVID-19 fight and vaccination. The meeting is likely to continue for 4 hours, and during this meeting, the chief ministers will give state-wise presentations about their respective territories. A visit to even the Swarved Mahamandir Dham is also on the itinerary of the Prime Minister. The Swarved Mahamandir is actually known as the Temple of Spirituality. It is also one of the world's largest meditation centers in Varanasi, and the Prime Minister is expected to be there to attend the 98th anniversary celebrations of Sadhguru Sada Phal Diyo. So basically, remember, it was a packed day yesterday. That was the day 1. Prime Minister made several late-night pit stops also in Kashi. He waved to people on the streets late last night, accompanied by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. He visited a railway station to inspect the development work there. Prime Minister was also seen playing with the child in the arms of one of the parents on the streets of Varanasi. Mohit Sharma is in Varanasi. Let's go across to them. So it appears that even after a packed day, he decided to go out and meet some locals there. Of course, the area would still be sanitized, considering it is a VVIP visit there, Mohit. But how does Varanasi look today on day 2? What are we picking up? Is it just going to be political government work, or are we looking at perhaps more interactions with public?
Well, largely, Pooja, today is going to be a political affair from the side of the Prime Minister. There are several meetings that are still scheduled, several of them that are still underway. And, he's already met senior officers. He's already met several public representatives also to first and foremost take stock of the situation here in Varanasi, to keep a check on what exactly is happening on ground. What is the extent to which the developmental works have been completed, and certainly certainly as to what exactly are the works that are still in the pipeline as well. And of course, we've been reporting from Kashi, Varanasi, and there have been a spate of changes. There have been a series of developmental works that have been started. The Kashi Vishwanath temple corridor is in itself very much an example which clearly has to be seen by one's eyes to believe, because those lanes and by lanes which used to welcome you otherwise before going towards the temple, that those have been completely changed. You have the corridor which now connects you from the main complex right till the ghats, and the devotees are now free to gather water from the holy river Ganga, and then perform their rituals as well. So that's one part of the story. Now secondly, the Prime Minister also went about to various other places. Whether we talk about in the night, in the middle of the night, he went to the Varanasi railway station. He wanted to check the developments there as well, and this precisely because of the fact that this is his constituency as well. He wants to be connected with the people, and today is, however, going to be a bit different. Today he's been meeting the public representatives, trying to understand as to what exactly is happening. And second front, which is currently underway, is the Chief Minister's conclave, wherein he's taking stock of the situation in various states as well. At least 12 Chief Ministers are giving their own presentations. They are trying to put across their point as to what exactly have they done, and what are the kind of resources that they still require in order to further implement the center scheme.
Mohit, keep tracking all the latest. Mohit Sharma is there in Varanasi, getting us all the latest about political meetings, public gatherings, all of that. Remember, yesterday was a packed day, and today will be primarily in conversation with the chief ministers of the BJP ruled states in the